Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ibrahim. Today I want to tell you how to enable TikTok Live option without any SIM and any VPN. I have created already 2-3 video on TikTok Live option, but this topic is different. We can't use any SIMs, different country and VPN to connect it to another country. So I have already application like TikTok. We are offering and there is plus option and press and next there is three option upload video camera template. We have to need there's four option and live option. Okay, first of all we delete this application to download another one from Google, but this application I already download from Play Store, so therefore we can't lay option enable. I have given a description link, so click and automatically TikTok will be download. So like this TikTok mode APK, scroll down and there is two option. First of all like this one and this one, TikTok download TikTok mode APK. Okay, and it's skip and I have already download. Okay, I have already download, so I cancel and TikTok premium Y330.7 this version and install. After will be installed and next sign up and your account, old account, don't create new account. Your account is will be enabled on live option. Okay, TikTok is download and install. There is two option done in open and the next if you have already account, so agree. Okay, then create and sign up. I have already account, so connect it with Gmail. My account is will be connected to with Gmail like this. Check here the top option to live option enable. Check it my account. This is my account, old account. Don't use any VPN. Check it. And so there is option plus option press and there's will be option enable live option. Okay, we have already three option upload and camera template, but there is three option like live option enable. So therefore I want to tell you how to enable TikTok live option without any SIMs, any VPN. Thank you so much this video watching. Please if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. More video will be show on screen.